Hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. Today we have a lot of news. So before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you may, because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis. So let's start with the first news. The first news is coming from WhatsApp. So probably all the people those who are watching is using WhatsApp on iOS, Android, whatever device you have. So WhatsApp actually have an emergency update. So they have fixed a zero-click exploit on iOS and macOS. So the Mac OS user, Apple wale user need to be little bit concerned because this news is for you. So right now, hackers could spy on message and call without even a single interaction. So this is a wake-up call. Meta urges each and every user to update their system as soon as WhatsApp as soon as possible. But there's a lot of attack which is going on a lot of centers, right, a lot of companies. So how to know that? How to know exactly who is attacking? If you're working in a company, there's a section called SOC. So how to basically protect your company? How to watch exactly what's going on? So for that, you can join this one, VIEH Group SOC program. So probably starting from within next 7 to 8 days. Anyways, next news related to Wireshark. So probably you have all used this. So Wireshark just released a new version which is 4.4.9. So this is actually they have fixed multiple vulnerability. There was a little bit of stability issue. That's what I feel like. And there's a memory crashing issue last time as well. So everything has been patched. So right now update and use Wireshark and you will not face any problem probably. Now, next news is related to Zscaler. So, Zscaler supply chain breach. So, right now, attackers compromise Salesforce and drift by using a Zscaler. And basically, customer information and communication were exposed on the internet. And this highlight actually how the third-party services can weak your company as well. So, did it out about Zscaler on security affairs? This is going to be a game changer for you. Next news is related to Brockwell. Yes, I'll tell you something new in this news. So Meta ads deliver malware. Basically, this is what it means. So right now, hackers abuses Facebook, Instagram ad to spread Brockwell malware. As here you can see. So I hope you know what is Brockwell. So Brockwell is basically a banking malware, and this program is designed to allow RAT, which is for remote access Trojan, over infected devices. So this is right now targeting the Android users and Project Meeting as a legitimate application. And basically, this Brockwell can even get password, banking data, and messages from the system as well. Now, next news is coming from China. So basically, uh, there's a APT group called Salt Typhoon. So they are secretly hacked global infrastructure for years, and actually it's a hacking Chinese hacking company. So victims include energy, water, and telecom sectors, and this campaign actually shows how national state targets critical systems. Right. So this is you need to see about. Next news related to Maryland. So there is a cyber attack which is actually disrupted Maryland transport services. So this was done via cyber attack actually, and it disrupted everything. So the bus were scheduled, mobility system, everything going offline, and this is actually everyone is getting concerned over this. So right now, state IT teams and restore services, and no data theft is confirmed yet. So basically, there's a lot of website and services getting attacked. If you want to know how to just secure your servers, you can check out this vihgroup.com/tci so that you can learn and secure your services. Next news is very interesting, which is related to VS Code. So hackers register a fake extension with look-alike name of popular ones. Yes, it's a VS Code marketplace attack that you can see here. So this extension actually can execute malicious code inside your IDE, and developers must verify publisher authenticity before installing, right? So always in the starting, I'm telling you install VS Code after confirming all. Now next news is related to Microsoft. So Microsoft will enforce multiple factor authentication across Azure. So this is actually aimed to blocking account hijacked by the ransomware attack. So they are bringing some sort of things you can see here. Postponed MFA enforcement. Now, next news related to a robot, delivery robot, which is spreading worldwide. So right now, researchers hacked into delivery robot via weak admin panel, and this is a stupidity of a developer actually. And attackers actually reroute, stop, and spy robot delivery by using all those things. Next news is very much important. It's related to US. So US agencies actually warned of Chinese espionage, and right now CISA, FBI, NSA issue a joint alert on Chinese surveillance. So right now hackers are building a global espionage system, and the organizations should apply, update, monitors log, and secure cloud system as soon as possible. Next news related to a ransomware group. So ransomware gang abuses hybrid cloud sync gap to get Azure controls. So actually, attackers move from one premises to full cloud takeover. Next news coming from North Korea. So North Korea group APT37 campaigns. This is what related to. So APT37 uses rock rat malware, which was via phishing emails and targeting professionals and researchers in South Korea. So this malware actually still document and monitor communications. This is what you can see how it's running, and this is the last news that we have right now, which is related to. So guys, Android dropper is actually a Android malware. So Android droppers now install SMS stealers and spyware. So this is once installed, they bypass Google Play security. And IT expert urges users to avoid APK side loaders and stick to Play Store. So this is what we have. You can see here. They're requesting malicious permission blocked. PM Kisan Yojana, and it's going on in India. So that's what we have for now. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you are subscribed. Have a great day.